Hello everyone, welcome to MudgarClub. I am Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and this is our 10th video of Shena push-up board series or Takhte Shena series. In this video, we will learn the next movement of Shena Sharnavaji stretch, Shena Sharnavaji bow stretch we will do today. In the last video, we did the Shena Sharnavaji side bend stretch. So do the good practice of the fast movements and then move to this. So Shena Sharnavaji bow stretch. As you understand from the name only, bow means in Hindi we can call it tir ka kaman, or we know the bow stretch very well, that this is a stretch kind of in which we have to pull the bow completely. So this stretch will be similar like the bow pulling back. So as we know, the starting position of Shena Sharnavaji, 4 count, we open up our legs wide, and the distance between the Shena push-up board and our feet should be in a way so that we don't have to touch the ground when we are going down and coming up. And in this also we will divide it in 2 parts. The first part is the push-up part and the second part is the stretch part. So let's start. As we know, the first count, we go down, touch our chest to the Shena, we come up, we do the downward dog position. So from here, our third step starts. We come up completely. First we do to the left side. We completely open up our left hand, stretch our left hand, and we make a bow position. Here we make a fist and stretch our hand. So as I'm stretching my left hand will be parallel to the ground, and as I'm stretching my right hand I will make fist with the right hand as well, and my right hand will be in the parallel to the torso, my waist, my spine. Instead of like this, both hands will not be parallel on the ground. One hand which we are stretching will be parallel to the ground, and another hand which we are stretching back will be parallel to our torso. In this way, we open up our chest completely. A slight arch will come on our spine, and we look towards the fist of the left hand here. So this is 3, and for the 4th, we release our hand, and then again we go for the bow stretch, and this is our 4 count. So let me show you how it will look like in a motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, every time we will do the stretch to the opposite side. If we do once left side, then the next, after the next push-up part, we do to the right side. 3, 4, and the right hand will be parallel to the torso and left hand will be parallel to the ground. If we are doing to the right side, right hand will be parallel to the ground and the left hand will be parallel to the torso. And we have to open up our chest instead of shrinking. Our chest should not shrink. We should open it up completely. A slight arch will come up, and we will take our hand, stretch hand a little bit up in comparison of our shoulder line, so that we will look a little bit up and towards the fist of the stretched hand. So in this way, we do the Shena Sharnavaji bow stretch. So let me show you once more that how it will look like in a proper motion. We go down on Shena. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, we will do the Shena Sharnavaji Bow Stretch, or you can call it 4 counts Shena push-up bow stretch. So as we will do the 2 rounds of it for the practice. Once we will do from the front angle, once I will do from the side angle in the proper way, in the normal motion. So let's start. Open up our legs. The starting position we will take distance between the Shena so that I can go down and come up without touching to the ground. So from here, let's start. 10 counts we will do in each round. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after completing, you can go to the resting position. Take few minutes rest here, 2 to 5 minutes rest here, and after that you can start your next round. So now let's do it from the side angle. Shena Sharnavaji Bow Stretch. Open your legs wide. The distance between the Shena and the feet should be right. Let's start. Go down on Shena. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after completing, go to the rest position. Take few minutes rest here, and then you can start the next round. So this was our Shena Sharnavaji Bow Stretch. You need the good practice of past movements. Definitely the normal Shena 2 count push up before trying it. So move forward step by step. And if you want to learn the Shena push-up board tradition way, in the proper way where I can see you and correct you, then you can join our level 1 certificate course where I will teach the Mudgar and Shena push-up board traditional techniques of practicing them. And if you want to buy a really good Shena push-up board, then you can order it from our website, MudgarClub.com. Thank you. See you in the next video.